Welcome back to another lesson. So, we are going to discuss how to use storytelling to connect with your ideal audience. So, welcome back. Of course, we're going to be discussing how to use storytelling to connect with your target audience. And by the end of this lesson, you guys will have a clear understanding of how storytelling can be used to build an emotional connection with your audience. All right. You're going to also learn some practical tips, of course, to craft your own compelling brand story. So, first and foremost, we want to know why storytelling even matters. We know that it matters because this is an essential tool to build a connection with your audience. So, when we build and share stories that are authentic and relatable, we create a deeper connection with our customers, which is an emotional connection. So, in this emotional connection, it really helps us build brand loyalty. It increases engagement and it ultimately drives sales. So, of course, now that we have AI and all these other artificial intelligence platforms, this is very much key to having a compelling brand. So, authenticity is when we are able to reflect on our brand's values, our mission, and make it all tie in together to be relatable to our audience. So it's important to focus on the emotions that you want to invoke, and to really craft that narrative that speaks to the needs and desires. So once you have this together, you're going to use this in a variety of different social media channels, and you're going to use this on with video marketing, content marketing, everything that you are putting out for your audience to see. You want to tailor your story to each channel and make sure that you're keeping your message consistent across all touch points. So with building your audience, you want to track some metrics and see how everything is going. See if it's really connecting to your audience based on your engagement, your reach, and conversions, to see how those storytelling methods are really impacting your business. Once again, storytelling is a powerful tool to build connection. So make sure that when you craft your compelling, authentic brand story, to tell it with an emotional connection and watch your business grow. So for now, we're going to end off here. Like I said, I like to give you guys bite-sized lessons so it wouldn't be too overwhelming for you guys. And I look forward to helping you grow your brand story, grow your personal brand, and really strive to be the best that you can be in business and in your life in general. So, once again, I appreciate you for listening in. You guys have a wonderful evening and stay polished in for the win.